Innovation is the cornerstone of our journey, driving us forward. And our global innovation labs are dynamic hubs of collaboration and engagement. They foster open dialogue, brainstorming, testing under real-world conditions. We strive to be the privileged partner of our customers by collaborating to develop new products and solutions to meet their needs.
From collaboration and brainstorming to performance testing and creating prototypes for our customers, we are driven to innovate and keep things moving forward. Welcome to our Innovation Lab at the Fenner Momentum Center. Here, we are driving collaboration, engaging with our customers, and pushing the boundaries of innovation across our product families. Fenner Industrial Motion, high-tech coated fabrics, and air and fluid handling.
This space, as well as our lab in the UK, allow us to bring our customers into a modern environment where we can showcase the products we make and the innovations on the horizon. We can demonstrate our testing capabilities and offer them the opportunity to collaborate with us. At our US Innovation Lab, we have a welcoming, relaxed environment where we can sit down with our customers, discuss their biggest challenges, and explore how we can help solve them. We have hands-on interaction, a lab space for small-scale product analysis and investigation, and a larger equipment room where we can conduct trials and test products on actual machines.
Our labs are flexible spaces. They'll continue to evolve and in 6 months or a year from now may not look or operate the same. We have the unique ability to modify equipment or test methods to suit specific customer applications. Our meeting area can change as well to help fit our needs. What's great about this space is we can continually elevate how we work together. It's a design thinking space.
We use our lab space to brainstorm ideas for new products, for improving current products, and for solving customer challenges. We can connect across the globe to share our designs and develop ideas and solutions. We have various equipment that we can use to test out how the products work in application and see what works, and more importantly, what doesn't.
It's a collaborative space. Our sales team is able to tell our customers we have a place they can come and physically see our products performing in applications they will recognize. When working on large projects, the Innovation Lab allows us to parallel test our customer requirements using actual field equipment. This is how we will bring our products to market faster. Prior to the new product family structure, departments were siloed and regionally focused. We can now not only involve the customer, but we can also share what our product teams are working on and what's being developed globally.
It's nice to bring customers into a dedicated innovation space. We can not only collaborate, but display their product in an application. You don't have to break into their production cycle to iterate solutions, which is a great asset to have on site. We give focused attention on how the product works for them, and I think it's a great visual aid. We have customers that say, hey, look, we have a piece of equipment that costs us an awful lot of money in repairs. Is there anything that you guys can do to modify the system and make it more reliable and increase efficiency? Recently, we had a customer bring in a piece of equipment that is one of their biggest frustrations. We're currently adapting their equipment to accept our products on it and plan to test for a few months before bringing the customer back to show them the results. The point is, you can look at something face value and not see the issues. You may think you know all of the problems, but until you put it on and start running it, you don't know the full picture.
We need to test and develop our products to work with the latest equipment designs that are being used by our customers. Having dedicated spaces for their equipment enables our teams to see how our products perform and get their feedback quickly to reduce time to market. It's more effective to show specific results that match what the customer is looking for rather than just reviewing data from test equipment. This will allow us to iterate quickly and improve our time to bring a solution to the customer.
The customer response has been fantastic. We have several pieces of equipment on test and on display. We are very excited to see the growth and effectiveness of the Innovation Lab moving forward.
What's great is we now have places where we can invite our partners to come and see what we're doing and be proud to show them what we're working on.
Being part of the Michelin family, we have a team of resources that can boost our capabilities and accelerate our time to market. The collaboration with a broader research team enhances our position in the market to deliver leading innovative solutions.
These innovation spaces showcase our position as a technological leader across the many industries that we serve. The vision is taking place. This is what's going to get us to the next level. This is who we are.
The future holds huge challenges, and the potential of new composites is limitless. We are excited, I am excited to push the boundaries of what is possible thanks to our team's dedication and also their hard work.
Always innovating. That's how we are manufacturing momentum.